Yo, what is going on YouTube? It is Himmy Boy 392 back at it again with another video, man. I'm just getting off work right now, man. I got some good shit for y'all, you know, playing today, you know what I'm saying? So, I'm just getting off work right now, man. It's 6 o'clock. Finna go get the car washed because the car is extremely dirty. I ain't washed the car in probably like 3 or 4 days, and it's been raining and shit, so sitting in the garage all dusty. So I'm finna go get the car washed, and then I'm finna go home, get a nice little unboxing video, and maybe install for y'all. Y'all hear that 6.4 liter, don't y'all? Y'all know what I'm saying? Y'all hear it. Yeah, man, I'm just finna go home, or get the car washed, and get some gas too, cause you see probably where we live in the gas station, 41 miles. I could probably make it a couple days, you know what I'm saying? Probably not. But yeah, if we gonna do that, and I'm gonna get home and I got 2 things today in the mail that I'm gonna be unboxing and maybe installing for y'all today. I don't know yet. Probably, who knows? Just gonna have to wait and see, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, let me go ahead and get up out of this parking lot, you know what I'm saying? Because nobody wanna be here, you know what I'm saying? So I'll catch y'all at the car. Alright guys, I made it home. You see, I didn't stop and get no car wash or nothing, because you know I ain't really feel like it. I just wanted to come home. Right now I'm probably finna go wash it though, because I'm gonna drive it tomorrow. You know, you can't be driving around with all this on there, you know what I'm saying? But I got a nice little package up in here. See that box right there? I already cut it open, you know, just to save time. So, pull this out. Buy this. And it is my diffuser. Nice little gloss black diffuser. It ain't the one that has, well, you can obviously see it, it ain't like one that's super crazy. It's just kind of like a little more aggressive one. I went with this. This is the Icon, I believe the Icon rear diffuser. I forget which generation it is. I'll put the link in the description though, which one it is if you guys want to go take a look at it. But it's just kind of like, it's not too much, but if you walk over here to the car, you obviously gonna be able to differentiate, you know, gloss black between here and there, you know. Yeah, man, I think it's gonna go with the theme I got going. I got the gloss black roof spoiler, the gloss black front lip. Thinking about when I get my wrap doing the gloss black spoiler, but which I'm gonna just go ahead and spoil it. The next thing that I got, the wicker bill, is gonna be gloss black, which should be here tomorrow. I haven't got any updates on it. It's coming from somewhere, I don't really know. I think Florida or somewhere, California, whatever it is. It should be here tomorrow. So that's gonna be gloss black. I don't know if I'm gonna have time to put that one on though before the event. Hopefully rolling with Sean, maybe he could come in clutch for me, you know what I'm saying, if it comes in on time. But yeah, I got this, and also we walk back over to the green bar. And then I went and picked up this right here. It's just a Nova Stretch. It's a front bumper mask, as you see. The front bumper mask for the Charger, because we going to St. Louis and bugs and everything is just a lot. So I went ahead and picked one of these up just to kind of save myself from like rock chips. You know, because I don't like rock chips on my front bumper. I know you don't if you care about your car a little bit, but I already got a few blemishes on the front bumper. I kind of want to just get this and protect it from anything else. I don't know how well it's going to do. I hear a lot of good things about it, but you know, I might put this on today, I might not. But I hear a lot of good things on it, so I just decided to go ahead and pick it up before St. Louis, just so I could protect my investment out there, you know. But yeah, that's my little unboxing for today. I was planning on putting it on. I still might, because it's not too hard. It's just a few screws and a clip, you know, to pop on and pop off. I might still do it. Or I might just wait till tomorrow. But that'll be like a separate video. I don't know if I'm gonna do a how-to or just a me installing the video or not, or I might just put it on and show it. Yeah, so. The next clip y'all gonna see, you might see me putting it on there, you might see me not put it on there. Who knows? Just stick around and I'll catch y'all later. Yes, y'all, so tomorrow, I think I'm gonna just wait till tomorrow to put this on. I just got off work and I don't really feel like, you know, I might feel like it. But either way it goes, it's gonna be the next video. But man, I know y'all seen, I think like 2 videos ago, I told you this thing was already mid-muffler deleted. And it sounds amazing. Even just mid-muffler deleted, I still want it a little bit louder. So I've been looking into things, and I think I'm gonna go catless mid pipes. I think I'm gonna go ahead and go that route, just for starters. Because I'm definitely not taking the resonators off. I don't know how many times I gotta say that one, but that one is just completely out of the window. So I might just do catless mid pipes. I've been reading a lot and I've been watching a lot of videos. The only thing that's kind of, you know, persuading me, like still on the edge, is you say it smells like shit. I don't really want to be smelling gas, you know, all the time. You know what I'm saying? Even when I'm at a stoplight, it might not bother me. I want to find somebody with catless mids. To like give me a ride or something, so I could kind of differentiate, see how it sounds in a Scat Pack or something. I'm not sure it really makes a difference if it's in the Scat Pack or a 5.7. Either or, it's still gonna smell the same, I'm sure. So I just want to get a ride, you know, find somebody with some catless mids and go ahead and try to get a ride so I can figure out how, you know, what route I'm gonna go. Right now I'm finna go ahead to the car wash because like I said, my baby is filthy, so I'm gonna go to the car wash and, you know, clean her all up and come back to the house, and you know, we gonna see. Alright y'all, man, so I'm back home, got her all cleaned up, but she's still a little dirty because I gotta wipe her down, you know what I'm saying. That's the thing, like I keep saying about these white cars. I drove maybe 5 minutes. But yeah, man, that's it. That's gonna be it for today's video. I'm gonna just go ahead and wipe the car down, get her all nice and clean. That's gonna be it for today's video. The next video you're gonna see is gonna be me installing all the things that I just got today. Should be pretty simple, I think. So yeah, man, that's gonna be it for today's video. Y'all let me know what y'all think about the rear diffuser and what y'all think about the Nova Stretch thing I got. And also make sure you leave a like, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Also share this video. Road to 500 subscribers right now. Yeah, and that's gonna be it. We're gonna catch you in the next one.